Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to use slide vertices along edges. As you can see in our example over there, this method is very amazing in order to make topology uniform and just how to slide vertex along an edge without distorting the topology. For example, let's apply it on our cube over there. Just click on the rightmost button. It's gonna be showing this menu. Subdivide it like this. I want just to subdivide it and to set it to number of cuts is 2, like this. Just hovering over, for example, this vertex over there. In order to slide vertices along edges like this, just click on it. It's highlighted. It's highlighted in orange color, as you can see in our example. Hit G twice and drag like this and move it. It's gonna be moving just on this edge in between these two vertices like this, for example. Also, you can restrict the axis of movement by typing, for example, G twice plus Y axis, for example. Hit G twice, then Y axis. It's gonna be correcting and restricting the movement just on the Y axis. Like this. Also, you can also slide to vertices on edge or on face, restricted to face or to any axis like this. You can select these two vertices and hit G twice and drag to move these two vertices, for example. Thanks for watching.